Howdy. This one is called Brio. Just read it. Here it goes. Uh, Brio. Belonging to the bone-chilling week of the residents. Was myself in that frigid log cabin far away from society, returning strongly, giantly. From the biome of his will and reach, I was hesitant, for his not-so-boon speech was gloomy and bleak, but truly inside heat, I was still bound for that new peak. I remember the guy had patience, though. I was unafraid, and I got up for the help of the fun day. Onto the disguise of vacation with Brio again. I will be brave, I said to myself, under the sun's rays. Avalon, Dakota, 6/29/25. It's about 1 p.m. now. That's Brio. Thank you.